I'm Jessica, and I just did Bree's makeover. Of course, she looks so beautiful.
And I'm about to do hers.
Yeah, blinded makeover. I am.
This is what best friends do.
And then they mess up really bad. This is how you prank people really badly if you really hate the person. I'm sorry. This is part of the funny ass video. Okay. You gotta make sure you're not peeking.
I can't peek. Okay. What?
Alright, that's
Okay,
the
I know
blush.
I need this. Where's the
Foundation. Let me get it. Okay.
Where's your face at?
Right in front of you.
Don't spit on me. Okay. I'm gonna use blush now.
It's gross.
You're beautiful.
You made me snort.
You're beautiful.
Oh my god.
Okay. What's next?
Do eyeshadow. Maybe that's the safest thing.
And here's the little thing. Oh, where's the
You can't do that.
feeling it.
Why are you putting your feeling? You're not supposed to feel it. You're supposed to go wherever you're.
But I am feeling. Okay, what's next? Where's that liquid eyeliner at?
Oh my god.
Is this it?
Maybe. Watch the eye, watch the eye. What's next? You spit on me. Because you poked at me with your teeth. Stop putting it on my mouth.
Lip gloss.
No, I mean lip gloss.
No, wait. Where'd it go?
Here. Use the lip gloss or something. The gold thing.
Okay.
Not all the way. You went all the way up. Okay. It broke. Here's the lip gloss. Screw it.
Fuck her up, baby.
I'm not Jeepers Creepers. I'm not the clown.
Did I use everything you used on me?
Yeah. No, wait a minute. You forgot to use
Concealer.
Con cleaner or whatever.
Concealer.
Okay. Now you get to see how beautiful I look. Yes, I look hideous. Yeah.
Say I love you.